Example 3.41 is a 5-mark question. So the given equation here has to be solved using the quadratic formula. So are you familiar with the quadratic formula? Okay, the quadratic formula says that if you have any equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then you can solve for x using the form minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Never ever forget this formula as long as you're going to do maths, right? It's a very, very important formula. So keep writing this formula many times, and also when you solve the sum, don't directly substitute without writing the formula. Writing the formula many times is the best way to remember the formula for life. Okay, so let's get started with the sum. There are many ways you can do the sum. I think in your textbooks they would have given to group this term and this term together, and take 2 out common. But you can, the other way of doing it is like how I will be doing. I'll directly take the LCM of the first 2 terms here. So LCM is x plus 1 into x plus 2, and when you cross multiply you get x plus 2 plus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 by x plus 4. See, I'm not saying this is the only way to do the sum. There are many ways. You can take LCM in whichever way you want and solve the sum. As long as you get the same answer, it's fine. So you get x plus 2 plus 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is x squared plus x plus 2x, right? So I'll write it as plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 4 by x plus 4. Okay, now this becomes 3x plus 4 by x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 4 by x plus 4. Now I'm just going to cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it becomes 3x plus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to 4 into x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now this becomes 3x squared plus 4x plus 12x plus 16 is equal to 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. Now it becomes 3x squared plus 6x plus 16 is equal to 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. So I'm going to take bring all this to the other side. So 3x squared minus 4x squared is going to be minus x squared, plus 6x minus 12x is going to be minus 6x, and plus 16 minus 8 is going to be plus 8 is equal to 0. Sorry, I think we did a wrong calculation. Plus 4x plus 12x is plus 16x. So 16 plus 16 minus 12 will be plus 4x. Okay, sorry. So I want to have it as plus x squared, so I'm changing the sign throughout, right? Once you've got this in the standard quadratic form, you can solve this equation using the quadratic formula. What is a quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Alright, what is b in a in this case? A is 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 8. Right? Remember I said the equation should be of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. That's why I'm taking a as the coefficient of x squared, b as the coefficient of x, and c the constant. Now let's substitute it in this formula. So you get minus b, minus of minus 4 is plus 4, plus or minus root of b squared 16, minus 4 into 1 into minus 8 is plus 32 by 2 into a, 2 into 1 is 2. So this can be written as 4 plus or minus root of 48 by 2, right? What is root of 48? So you continuously keep dividing like this, right? So 2 2s are 4. So how do you take square root? For these two 2's you can take 1 2, for these two 2's you can take 1 2, and this becomes root 3. So this becomes 4 plus or minus 2 into 2, this 2 into this 2, which is 4 root 3 by 2. Now let's take 4 common out in the numerator. 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2, and you cancel this, it becomes 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. So x, the solution set can be written as x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3 and 2 minus 2 root 3. Got it? That's all. So it's quite a simple sum for 5 marks if you know this formula by heart, and if you are also able to solve this sum patiently. Okay, and don't skip steps, that's when we make mistakes, right? And do it, practice it a couple of times or even more than that. You can surely make no mistake in this.